Yes, student, today we're going to learn lines and angles. So here, first of all, understand axiom. These are the statements which are true but cannot be proved through a well-defined calculation, but it can be proved through an activity. Next is theorem. These are also the statements which are true and can be proved through a well-defined calculation or process. Come to the first statement of axiom, linear pair axiom. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then their sides other than the common side makes a straight line. So let us understand with the figure. Let this be an angle. Let us denote it by 1. Now let us take another angle which is adjacent, means which is joined to it. Let it be angle 2. You can observe here both of the angles have a common arm between them. Since both of them are lying on a line, we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. This uncommon arm and this uncommon arm of both of them are forming a straight line. Now converse of linear pair of axiom, which we have learned just now. Two adjacent angles form a linear pair if and only if they are supplementary. Axiom, next statement of axiom. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us take the figure. This is a line. This is another line which is intersecting it. Intersecting means both of them are meeting at a point. Let this angle be 1. We are observing 4 angles are there. Let us mark it by 1, 2, 3. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. And this is next is angle 4. Here you can observe the red one angles are opposite, so they are equal, and blue are all equal. Thank you.